Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. How to make highlights on Instagram without posting on your story. Well, in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put highlights on Instagram without putting it in your story. Well, you're going to put it in your story, but I'm going to show you how you do it. The first thing you do is open up your Instagram. Then click on the bottom right corner to your profile. Once you're here, you will see your profile on the top left corner. And on the bottom right side, you will see a plus icon. And then click on it. After clicking on it, just go down, choose the picture that you want. Let's say this one. We're gonna make the story. And a quick bonus tip for you guys: you can do this by only posting it for a few friends only, to your close friends, by just clicking on close friends right there. Now click on next. After doing that, click on share. There you go. Then done. There you go, guys. Once you're now here, you have done, as you can see, it's in the story, but it's not on highlights. So you just click on that story and then more, then click on highlight, then add something that you want right there. Add new. There you go. It's added now. As you see, it's now in our highlight. Then now click on archive. There you go, guys. And now as you can see, we have highlights and our story is not there anymore. So yeah, there you go. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions, type it down in the comment section below. I'll be happy to answer you. And there, as you can see, are the highlights there, and we have no story. If you guys liked the video, if you guys enjoyed, if you have any questions, type it down in the comment section below, and we'll be happy to answer you. And thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.